So today we're going to be making tropical flapjacks, and it all starts off with 200 grams of jumbo oats, half a cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of chopped mango, 2 teaspoons of finely chopped ginger, 1 cup of sugar, and 200 grams of vegan butter, and finally 4 tablespoons or less, up to you, of golden syrup. Now you can change the toppings, put cranberries, raisins, whatever you want. As long as you got the vegan butter and the jumbo oats and sugar ratio correct, you choose whatever toppings you like. So on a low flame, we're going in with the vegan butter and the sugar and the ginger. And we're going to let that cook for a bit, about 5 minutes. Once again, low flame. After that, we're going to add in the mango. We want the ginger to basically infuse with the surrounding sauce. After that, we're going to add in our golden syrup. Give it a good stir. Now, after about 5 more minutes, you'll see that bubbling up. We move on to the jumbo oats and the desiccated coconut. Give it a good stir. Add in your vegan butter mix. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything's incorporated. And we're going to lay that out on a baking tin. Now, if you want it thicker, you can compress it a bit more, as I'm doing so. Don't worry, it won't go soft and back to its flat self in the oven. But that's about it. So you're going to bake that in a preheated oven on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then refrigerate it and serve it up. Make sure it's cold when cutting, because if not, it will just go all over the place. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a request down below. I'm always happy to take your requests. Also, make sure you're following me on TikTok as well. I used to be on Instagram, but that's dead now. Oh well. TikTok's where you'll find me if you want to have conversations or anything like that. Ciao for now, folks. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video.